Hey everybody, so I got my April Whiff Box in, so I thought I would go ahead and open it so you can see what you're going to get this month if you ordered your April Whiff Box. So we're going to open it up, and it always comes with this little flyer. So this month it says, spring is the time of year when we do deep cleaning and clear out those winter cobwebs and get ready for summer. Luckily, Scentsy is here to help. This month's Whiff Box includes new clean products, fragrances to keep your space fresh, and a handy spring cleaning checklist. Live, love, whiff. And then over here, so we get these single-use wax cups in the Whiff Boxes, and you just simply pop the wax out and put it in your warmer dish to enjoy a new fragrance. And again, if you want to see if you receive a Whiff Box on a monthly basis, message me or ask me about joining Scentsy Club. Now, I do have one of these in my Scentsy Club, so I get one of these every single month. So, this month they have the spring cleaning checklist. So here it's, for your house and your head. And it's in different languages because we're all over the world. Scentsy is a global company. So we have different things you can check off for spring. And again, in the different languages. Looks like Spanish and French. And so, there's a pretty little flower there. Alright, so here we go. Take off the purple paper. Get rid of the bubble wrap. Oh my Lanza. Full size cleaning products. We have Blue Grotto bathroom cleaner. This stuff is amazing. I get this in the bath bombs for my grandson, and he absolutely loves it. So we've got that. Then we have another full size counter clean in coconut lemongrass. This smells wonderful. And another full size dish soap. And this is the aloe, water, and cucumber. So 3 full size cleaning products. Amazing. And then we have this month's scent of the month, the sugared strawberry. We have samples of lavender cotton laundry liquid and Scent Soft. We have a scent circle in Do We or Don't We? Let's see. It does smell good. And then we have our single cup samples that you can pop into your warmer. This one is Prickly Pear and Agave. And then a preview of next month, the May scent of the month, which is Saddle Up. So, this, and I put up a corner of it so I could smell it. And oh my Lanta, it smells so, so good. So, this is April's Whiff Box. 3 full-size cleaning products. Bathroom cleaner, counter clean, and dish soap. Sample of laundry soap and Scent Soft. A bar of this month's scent of the month. A scent circle. And 2 single cup testers that you can pop into your warmer. So there's still time to order April's Whiff Box. So if you want yours, just head on to my website, or you can add it to your Scentsy Club subscription and get one every month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. Y'all have an awesome day. Take care.